Hello viewers, in this video we're going to learn how to solve factorization. Okay, we know we are solving quadratic equation using so many methods, like factorization using completing the square, graphical method, and so on and so forth. Okay, this question says x squared plus 8x minus 20. You know we are solving this question. Before you factorize this question, you're supposed to know that we are finding two numbers that if you add you get 8, you multiply the two numbers you get 20. Okay, what are the two numbers here? Okay, the two numbers will be 10 and 2. 10 times 2 is equals to 20. Then 10 minus 2 is equals to 8. Therefore, you can use these two numbers. Since this is minus 20, here will be minus 2. 10 times minus 2 is minus 20. Since this is plus, then we can say 10 minus 2 is equals to 8. Okay, here will be 10x minus 2x. Here will be 8x. Okay, these two numbers satisfy the equation. And the next thing to do, we're going to put the two numbers to replace x. We have x squared plus 10x minus 2x. 10x minus 2x, you go back to 8 and minus 20. Then since we reach the place where we can factorize there, then we have x here, we have x here. We keep x outside the bracket. We have x here. X times x is x squared. We say we have plus. Remain here. What remain here is 10. You open the bracket, you go back to this step. Then here we have minus 2. Since we have 2 here, we have 2 here. How many 2 here? 1. How many 2 here is 10. Then we put x here. Then since here is minus and minus, we can put plus 10 here. Then the next thing to do, since we have two brackets as equal, then we can take two brackets. We have x minus 2 or an x plus 10 here. And that is all for this. Let's solve the next question here. The next question here, we factorize this equation. As we know in the first one, we are finding the multiple of two numbers that you get 2. That is when adding the number also you get 3. What is the multiple of this number? Let's say we have 2 and 1. 2 times 1 here is 2. If you have 2 times 1 is equals to 2. 2 is equals to 2, then 2 minus 2 minus 1 is equals to minus 3. Okay, then we can say, let's assume here is minus 2, here is minus x or 1x. Though we don't have 1x here, then we can substitute. Since the two numbers satisfy the equation, then we have x squared minus 2x minus x plus 2. Okay, don't forget we are replacing the two numbers only. We are replacing the two numbers here as minus 2x minus x is minus 3x. We multiply minus 2 times x minus 2 times 1 is 2. This one satisfies the equation. Then we can factorize. Now we reach this stage where you can factorize this stage. Therefore, we have x here, we have x here. We put x outside the bracket. Then we say so we have x inside. What remain here is 2. Is minus 2 here. Then since here is x, we have x here, we have 2 here. It doesn't have number here, we doesn't have number here, except 1. Therefore, we have to put 1 outside the bracket. We put x minus 2 here. Don't forget when factorizing, make sure if you remove the bracket, you go back to the next, you go back to this step. Once you remove the bracket, you go back to this stage. Then, since the two brackets are equal, then we are going to take x minus 1 or x minus 2. That is the factor we have here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos.